Hello kids, how are you today? As you know, on Sunday we are going to celebrate Mother's Day. So today we are going to make a card that you can give it to her that day. Okay? Ready to start? Let's do our card. For our card we will need pieces of paper, scissors, a marker or a color pencil, the one that you have at home, glue stick, and a piece of cardboard or paper of 10 centimeters by 45 centimeters. Okay, so let's start. The thing that we have to do is to fold our paper in 3 parts. Okay, we are going to take one side of the paper and we are going to fold it inside. Okay, you can turn the paper and you will do the same. Okay, and here we have the card. You have to make it stand alone. Okay, you have to stand alone. Okay, in the first part we are going to write the word mom. Okay, this is the first part. We have to write mom. Okay, you can open your card if you want. Now here I'm going to take one piece of paper and I'm going to paste this piece of paper here. Okay, but before I paste it I have to write. Okay, in this piece of paper I will write I love you. When I have the piece of paper I will put some glue and I will paste it in the middle. In the last part I have to draw a big heart and here I'm going to write 2 pieces. Now this is important. We are going to decorate the heart with the pieces of paper. Okay, you will take one piece of paper and you will tear the paper. Okay, then you will put some glue on the heart and you will paste the piece of paper just like this one. Then I can change the color and I do the same. I tear the paper, I put some glue and I paste the piece of paper. We have to cover all the heart, okay? Okay, now I have all my heart decorated with the pieces of paper, and as you can see here I paste some pieces of paper too. Okay, if you want it you can do it. And that's all. Okay, this is our card. When it's dry you can close it and you can give it to your mom like this way. Okay, or you can put it on the table just like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this card. See you next time. Goodbye.